Hi students. Okay, so we're doing a topic called surds. Okay, this is a completely new topic. We've never heard of this. SURDS, surds. Now, what is a surd? A surd is an irrational root of an integer. Okay, थोड़ा सा confusing. Irrational root का क्या मतलब है? Integer. We have to go back, check our notes. So we're going to see what it should look like. ठीक है? Now, assuming that this is something, we don't know what this is, जो रूट के अंदर है a. Okay, what is a? It is a positive rational number or the radicand. Okay, now positive rational number मतलब 2 3 4 5 जो भी जाएगा वो अंदर जाएगा. n is the root of a, which is say square or cube. Okay, so it's usually either a square or a cube, correct, which is equal to x. Now what is x? X is an irrational number called the surd. Now ये जो x है, this is called the surd. Okay, now for example, if I see root 2 is equal to 1.41 dot dot dot. ठीक है. Now root 2 में जो 2 है, that is a positive rational number. यहाँ पे because there is nothing written, which means we know it's a square, right? अगर यहाँ पे बाहर में 3 written होता, यहाँ पे if there was a 3 written over here, we knew then the n would have been 3. But because यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं लिखा, it means it's a square. So my n is a square or a 2, and 1.41 dot 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 is the x or the irrational number or the surd. Okay, now what do you call, root 2 is a surd and the order of the surd is 2. Now what is order of the surd? n is the order of the surd. यहाँ पे जो n है, which means जो यहाँ पे है square, that is going to be the, it's called the order of the surd. अगर यहाँ पे 3 written होता है, okay, then the order of the surd would have been 3. Over here the order of the surd is 2. Okay, now let us look at some questions. Okay, are the following surds or not? Now this is a cube 27, cube root 27. ठीक है, क्यूब मतलब एक नंबर जो अपने आप से 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई होता है टू गिव यू समथिंग. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 4 into 4 into 4 is equal to 64. So if I would have given you a cube root 64 and I would ask you कि are these following surds or not, what would you do? You would have found कि इसका क्यूब क्या है, क्यूब रूट क्या है, 64 का क्यूब रूट क्या है, which is 4 into 4 into 4. Now इसका है 27. Okay, I am using this format. Okay, nth root a is equal to x. Now nth root a over here is cube root 27. So I have written cube root 27 is equal to x. Okay, we need to find the number that is multiplied by itself thrice to give you 27. Now, so it should be x into x into x is equal to 27. What? Now x is one number, which means one number getting multiplied to itself thrice is giving you 27, which we know 3 into 3 is 9, and then 9 into 3 is 27, right? So 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 27. So cube root 27 is not a surd because it is a perfect cube. Okay, it is a perfect cube. Now if I look at cube of 8. Now nothing, मैं कोई भी नंबर अगर 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई करूँगी, which number will I multiply thrice to give me 8? Now look at this. In your notebook, try doing 2 into 2 into 2, or even in your mind, do 2 into 2 into 2, which is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So cube root of 8 is not a surd. Okay, क्योंकि these are perfect cubes. It is not a not perfect cube. Now if I look at cube root of 7, ठीक है, now 7 का I cannot, there is no number that I multiply itself by thrice to give me 7, right? 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8, which means that मैं कोई भी नंबर को 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई करके I will not get 7. Okay, so cube root 7 is a surd because it is not a perfect square or a perfect cube in this case. Now, something that's very, very important for you to do or to remember when you are doing this entire topic or this rest of the chapter, something that's just generally very important, are your squares and your roots. I've done this last year with you guys. In your notebook, you had written your squares, all your squares, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, and your cubes, 1 cube, 2 cube, till 10 cube. I've also given it to you over here. This is something you should write in your notebook. Like, pause the video and write this in your notebook so that you can go back and you can always refer to it when need be. Okay. How to find the simplest form of a surd? Now, this is thoda sa complicated, but it's very easy. Okay? We're not going to get scared. Now, I am asking you to find the simplest form of a surd. Matlab, for example, if I give you a fraction and I tell you इसको मेरे को simplest form में दो, so you will keep dividing denominator, numerator till you get a simplest form. Simplest form मतलब अब इसके बाद ये दोनों numbers divide नहीं हो सकते. Correct? Something very simple. Now I've given you cube root 98 over here and I've told you इसका simplest form ढूंढो. ठीक है? So step 1. These are steps. Please write these steps. Write this entire thing, okay, step by step with this example so that you can always go back and refer to it. You can see, okay, मैं इस step पे हूँ and this is what I'm supposed to be doing. Okay? So, we divide 98 by 2, 3 or 5 to obtain a number that is a perfect square. Now, if I give you any number, you are going to divide it by 2, 3 or 5. So, what I've done over here is, मैंने 98 को 2 से भी डिवाइड किया है, 3 से भी डिवाइड किया है, 5 से भी डिवाइड किया है. साइड में you do your rough work, divide 98 by 2, 3 and 5 and you have to find a number that is a perfect square. Now look, 98 divided by 2 is 49, 98 divided by 3 is 32.6 and 98 divided by 5 is 19.6. Now look, I'm going back over here and I'm checking. 98 divided by 2 gave me a 49. Do I get a 49 anywhere over here? 7 square is a 49. Oh, that's a perfect square. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the 2. Okay? I am going to take the 2. 98 divided by 2 is 49 and we select that value. मैंने ये select किया. ठीक है? For example, if you go for a audition for a drama club, what happens is there will be lots of options. Correct? आप अपना audition दोगे, कोई और अपना audition देगा, and then whoever is the person, he has to select one, right? So out of this, these are 3 people who have given they've given an audition and I have to select. मैंने डिसाइड किया ये परफेक्ट है इस रोल के लिए. 98 divided by 2 is equal to 49 is a perfect this thing that I need. So I'm going to choose that. Now, step 2. We move 2 to the other side. 98 divided by 2 is equal to 49. This is my equation. मैं क्या करूँगी, इस 2 को I'm going to move it here. When I move it from the left side to the right side, if this is a divide, we know obviously it becomes a multiply. So now my answer becomes 98 is equal to 49 divided by 2. Okay, 98 is equal to 49 divided by 2. Step 3. We add the root sign on both the sides. ठीक है, जो 98 is equal to 49 into 2 है, I will make it square 98 is equal to square root 49 into 2. मैंने दोनों साइड पे रूट का साइन ऐड कर दिया है. नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू द गिवन टेबल मेरे को पता है square root of 49 is 7, right? 7 into 7 is 49. So square root of 49 is 7. ठीक है. So what I can instead do is I will remove square of 49 के नीचे से मैं square हटा दूंगी and I will replace it with 1 7. So now what happens over here is I will keep square 98 the way it is equal to ये जो स्क्वायर रूट है 49 के ऊपर दैट आई एम गोइंग टू रिमूव. आई विल मेक इट इनटू जस्ट 7. ठीक है, बिकॉज 7 इंटू 7 इज 49. अगर मैंने स्क्वायर रूट का साइन हटा दिया तो मेरे को यहाँ पे सिर्फ 7 लिखना है इंटू स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2. तो आई डेंट रिमूव द स्क्वायर फ्रॉम 2, राइट? I only remove the square from 49. So I will write square root 2. So this that you have is the simplest form of square root 98. The simplest, सबसे simple form of square root of 98 is 7 into square root 2. It's your simplest form. Okay. Now next. How to tell if a surd is similar? मैं कैसे बताऊँ कि अगर मैं दो numbers दूंगी, how do I know if the surd is similar? We check for the order of the surd, which is the n. Means यहाँ पे कौन सा नंबर है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे 2 है या 3 है, मैं दोनों नंबर्स में चेक करूँगी. अगर एक में 2 और एक में 3 है, दैट मीन्स वो सिमिलर नहीं है. अगर दोनों में 2 है, दे आर सिमिलर. And radicand of the surd, which is A, is this 98? Okay, is this 98, or can I make it into the simplest form? Yes, then okay, then that means they are the same. Alright, so both your order of the surd and the radicand of the surd should be the same for your surds to be similar. For example, if I am looking at square root 2 and 4 by 5 square root 2, are they alike? I have written for square of 2, my a is 2, my n is also 2, correct? Now I look at 4 by 5 square root 2. a का मेरा वैल्यू 2 है, n का वैल्यू भी 2 है, करेक्ट? यहाँ पे क्यूब नहीं लिखा है, there is no cube over here, there is no 3 over here, it's still 2. So you are just going to write 2. That means square root 2 and 4 by 5 square root 2 are alike surds. Now, look at this. Minus 3 square root 2 and square root 3. Now, minus 3 square root 2 में a का वैल्यू 2 है, n का वैल्यू भी 2 है. Now, please don't get confused कि यहाँ पे minus 3 है तो n का वैल्यू minus 3 होगा. n का वैल्यू इज जो यहाँ पर आएगा, ए इस इधर, राइट नेक्स्ट टू योर रूट. ओके, अभी यहाँ पे अगर कुछ नहीं लिखा है, दैट मीन्स कि इसका वैल्यू 2 है. नाउ व्हेन आई लुक एट दिस स्क्वायर रूट 3, ए का वैल्यू 3 है, n का वैल्यू 2 है. यहाँ पे a का वैल्यू 2 है, यहाँ पे a का वैल्यू 3 है. दे आर नॉट द सेम. Therefore, these surds are not alike. If this was 2, 2 and this was also 2, 2, then they were alike. Or if this was a 3 and this is also a 3, then they are alike. But यहाँ पे different है, so they are not alike. One second, let me see. Okay. Now look at this. Square root 45 and square root 80. ठीक है. Let us first bring them to the simplest form as taught before. Square root 45 is equal to square root 9 into 5. ठीक है. 9 5s are 45, right? So square root of 9 into 5. Now 9, right? 9 is a perfect square, which means 3 into 3 is equal to 9. 3 3s are 9. तो मैं 9 से ये हटा दूंगी, व्हाट यू कॉल द स्क्वायर रूट का साइन, एंड आई विल मेक इट 3 इंटू दिस स्क्वायर रूट 5. सेम आई विल डू विथ 80. 16 इंटू 5 आई विल फाइंड 16 इंटू 5. चलो ठीक है. नाउ 16 इज ऑल्सो अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर ऑफ 4. 4 4s are 16. सो आई एम गोइंग टू रिमूव दिस स्क्वायर रूट फ्रॉम 16 एंड इसको 4 लिखूंगी, एंड आई विल कंटिन्यू टू राइट स्क्वायर रूट 5. नाउ वी कंपेयर. थिंक अबाउट इट, यहाँ पे 3 इंटू स्क्वायर रूट 5 है, 4 इंटू स्क्वायर रूट 5 है. सो ए ओवर हियर, ठीक है, ए का वैल्यू इज 5, एन का वैल्यू इज 2. ओवर हियर ए का वैल्यू इज 5, एन का वैल्यू इज 2. Therefore, square root 45 and square root 80 are similar surds. Okay. Now there is a worksheet that you're supposed to do. Find the root of the following. You know this already. You need to find the root. 25 का root क्या होगा? Square root 5 into 5, 25. So your answer will be 5. Same way you will do for square root 81 and the rest. Find square and cube of the following. You will find 6 का cube मतलब 6 into 6 into 6. Find the answer. 8 square मतलब 8 into 8. Find the answer. 16 square मतलब 16 into 16. Find the answer. Multiply and find the answer. Find order of the surd. Okay. Now you have to find only the order of the surd. Now what is order of the surd? We will go back. 1 second. See. N is the order of the surd. This is your order. So I'm going to go back over here. I need to find the order. That means what's written over here. Over here it's 2. Order of my surd is 2. Over here it's written 2. Order of my surd is 2. Over here surd is written, number over here is 3. So order of your surd is 3. Okay. Are the following surds or not? So the way we did this, all of this, example 1, 2 and 3, you're going to look at it and you're going to solve this sum. Are these surds or not? And find the simplest form of the surd and tell if the following surds are similar. Okay, you're going to do find if they are similar or not, which is these questions. Are these similar? Are they not similar? You're going to find them. Okay. So simple, no, not very difficult. It's a very simple concept. You're going to do all of this work and your time for submission today will be 8 p.m. Okay. Please ensure you're doing work today because Saturday is Eid and it's a chutti and we're taking a holiday on Saturday and Sunday. So please ensure that your work is happening today itself.